U Presiden ke BJP uba Arnes Mauri hene ke sngi ke afnyo terek unaitung habakren bakilap thai Khubor hadin ke jingya kendu lang jong Nongialam jong ke Seng nakaleng ke Jylla ha office trekam jong ke Seng ula Pynrem ya ke Jingkhot Hajir jong ki Pulit ya ki Nongialam ke Seng na Tura ha kini Kynjatshai kani ke Jingkhot Hajir ya ki Nongialam bat ki Nongkeshan jong ke Seng kalong hadin ke Jingkhendra ya ke rempu bagan kabadai trai dau MDC ke Seng ubernat marang shosho uba Arnes Mauri ula benrap ru da ka boong ba ke Seng kan pelong ya ka pis rali ha nong ba shilong Tura hakini Kynjatshai ki penwan ulaya thuru bah hakini Kynjatshai ki Pulit kilakhot Hajir ya u general secretary ke Tura city welvet danggo shosho uba Mauri ula kenturu ya katanat Pulit bahkan penthut ya ki Nongkeshan jong ke Seng ha Jylla.
After we received the letter from the Tura city district yesterday, it has taken place that the OC of Tura, he called one of our party caricators and the General Secretary of the Tura city to police station for taking some statement. So we received a complaint that they have obtained him almost 6 hours. And subsequently, they are on the way to call all the party workers and caricators for different statement which it is not known to us for what cause and for what reason. So today we have briefed this situation taken place in Tura with our caricators, our office bearer in the district. So we have decided to arrange one peace protest in Shillong and Tura, and we will ask the permission from the district administration, and I think within a day, 1 or 2 days, will give you the information, and this program will demand this protest here in Shillong city as well as in Tura city. We are going to stage the protest against this harassment from the police for our party caricators. Because this is example, we don't want that the police of any district to mishandle our party caricators.